Last night at about 10:30 I started to hear a screeching, crying scream of an animal that went on for almost 5 hours. It may have been a fox, it may have been a coyote, I'm not sure. But it went on for quite some time, and it seemed like the animal was in distress. If you have an idea what it was or why it went on for such a long period of time, please comment below in the comment section on this YouTube video. Thank you. We're at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313. It took place in Bucks County, Pennsylvania on June 15th, 2013. It was a clear night, no rain, and it was very calm. And I took this sound recording at about 2 a.m. in the evening. Thank you. There's a strange sound outside, so I'm going to open the door and let you hear it.